Namaskar to all traders and welcome. So today in this video I'll be talking about how to make the payment on the Propfirm using the crypto method. Because the thing is, different Propfirms have different crypto payment gateway. Now depending on that, you can use the most suitable crypto so that you get the best benefits out of it. The thing is, some crypto is very expensive on some gateway. So you have to use the most suitable crypto so that you get the account in the cheapest possible. And next thing is, you must have seen the notification that you made the payment, your crypto has been deducted from your account, from your wallet, but still it's showing that payment gateway is showing that insufficient amount received. Now this thing as well, I'll clear you out. You have to add the network fee and how you have to add the network fee in order to make a successful transaction. That's what I'm going to talk about today. Now for this video, for these transactions, I use mostly the Binance. In case if you want to know what about how to open the account in Binance and all that as well, I can work on. In case if you want, you may let me know in the comment section. I can work on the detailed playlist on how to make the payment on crypto using crypto on Propfirms. Before moving ahead, in case if you have not subscribed the channel yet, then kindly consider subscribing the channel and like this video, and do let me know in the comment section which Propfirm or any topic that is related to Propfirm. You may let me know in the comment section. I'll make the video on it, or if I can resolve in the comment section, I'll reply and resolve that thing in the comment section itself. So let's move to the screen and we will take the examples of various Propfirms having different gateway, crypto payment gateway, and we will choose the suitable crypto according to that gateway and make the payment for that thing. I'll show you guys how to make the payment on that thing. All right. Okay, so before moving on to the payment gateway of Propfirm, I want to show you a quick tour of the Binance website. This is the Binance website dashboard that I have already logged in. So here, if you check, they have a trade section. You can convert here in this convert and block trade. What you can do, whatever the crypto that you have, you can convert to any crypto that you want, because you might need a different kind of crypto in order to buy that account, because some gateways doesn't receive the other kind of crypto, some cryptos. So, and also the best suitable crypto that you have to use according to because in some crypto it charges too much network depends on the gateway. Now from here you can convert in any crypto that you want. In almost all of the wallet, they have this kind of section in which you can convert your crypto to another crypto. So this is very important out here. And in case if you want to make the deposit in the Propfirm's account, what you will do, you will go to your dashboard and you will click on withdraw. You can click on withdraw, and here you can select the coin that you are going to send, select the crypto that you are going to send, and the address is like a bank account number that you will get from the Propfirm's payment gateway of the crypto. From there you will get, and the network as well. It is very important that you have to use the correct network in order to make the successful transaction. And after that, there comes a network fee and all, which we will be showing you once we take the example. All right, now let's take an example of 5%ers. Say for example, you are trying to buy an account of Hypergrowth and instant 20k, which cost 850 USD. You can click on that, and this is the details, and it's automatically showing since I have already logged in. Now I'll click on confirm to proceed the payment. There is some terms and conditions that I need to agree. If I click on confirm and proceed to payment, what it will do, it will direct me to the payment page. Now here, these are the payment options available. These are the cards, in which cards you have to use, checkout.com, Stripe, Visa. And here if you see, they have a Confirmo crypto payment gateway. Now this thing you can click. Once you click here, now it was costing 850 USD, right? Now if you see here, different crypto have different value depending on that. 855, $5 extra is there. Now I'll be just selecting for this time USDT. Now I'll try to make the payment using the USDT. So for example, I clicked here. You can check with these things as well, Bitcoin as well, but the thing is, Bitcoin, they have a network fee as well. You have to add the network fee, and it will come near around like this only. So that thing you have to check. And say for example USDT, I want to make the payment using the USDT. I'll click on USDT. Once I click on USDT, again you have to click here. So once you click on that, it will show this. This is the amount that you have to copy and send them exact amount. This is the receivable amount, not the, it's not included network fee or nothing. You just have to add the network fee in that, whatever the platform fee that your wallet is taking, you have to add that and send it. So for example, I'll try to make the withdrawal. Like I'll show you guys. I'm not going to make the withdrawal. I'll show you guys USDT. This is USDT. That is the coin that we have selected, USDT. Now the network is TRC20 out here, TRC20, right? So you will be selecting the network as well, that is TRC20. Let me just, where is the TRC20? TRC20. And the address, what you have to do, you have to copy from the address here itself. You will copy from here and you will paste it here. And again, I think I will need to add the network. Okay, I have added the network, I have added the address. Now amount that I have to enter. Now this is very important, what you have to do. This is the reason why people get insufficient payment notification. You have to copy this amount and you have to first paste it here, and you check here what is the network fee your platform is taking. Okay, that thing you have to add here, because the thing is, this is the amount that they are going to receive. If you don't add this network fee, what happens? They receive a less amount. So that's why they will show that insufficient payment notification. So it is very important that you add the network fee of your wallet, whatever your wallet is taking, whatever the network fee that they are taking. So that you have to add here. Now you have to add 1 USDT. Since they are only receiving 854, we have to make sure that they are receiving the $855, right? So what you will do, you will add $1 here, just say $856. Now 855.026773. Make sure that this is the correct amount, exact amount this figure is. Then only make the transaction. Got it. Now like after this, you can like click on withdraw section. Since I don't have the sufficient amount, that's why it is showing. Like you can click on withdraw section, and how you take the withdrawal, make the withdrawal. You can make the withdrawal and it will show here the transactions. It will show here. Now it takes this crypto thing, it takes time. It's not like a bank. It takes time like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, depending on the crypto. Bitcoin, it takes around like 30 minutes sometimes, and this USDT, it takes around like 5 or 10 minutes, near around that it takes. So it will take a little bit time, so no need to panic. Just wait for a while. Don't close this payment page. You have to wait for a while till this it will show that like your payment has been received, and it will direct you to the back to the merchant. That is 5%ers in this case. So this is how you can make the payment on the 5%ers. Now let's take an example of other Propfirm, that is Finovity funding. I have already logged in here with the fake account. Now I'll try to make a payment. What I will do, I have already selected the account as well. I'll click on that, proceed with the payment, and I'll select the credit card or cryptocurrency. For this video, like we are going to do the cryptocurrency. Now here in coupon, you can add our coupon. It gives a discount and added profit split. In case if you want to use that, you can use that. Continue with the payment, you can click on this, and once you click on this, they will direct you to the crypto payment gateway. Now they have other gateway compared to the Propfirm, this 5%ers. They were having the Confirmo. They have different gateway. Now 90.25 USD you have to pay. Now what you can do, I have read the let's pay. You can click on this let's pay, and after that you can connect your wallet as well here, or exchanges in case if you have, or you can pay with another wallet as well. For now, for this case, since I have the Binance, I'll be connecting my Binance here. I'll click on Binance and choose the crypto. I'll choose this USDT here, and Polygon, they have the Polygon network, which is really good, because the thing is Polygon network fee is very less compared to other network fee. So I'll be using the Polygon network out here. I can click on Polygon network, and once I click on that, so they will give me the scanner. But I won't recommend you guys using the scanner, because like sometimes it happens that like there some kind of malfunction happens. So I would always recommend you guys to use the wallet and do the copy paste thing there. Copy, and you can go on withdraw section, USDT since you have selected, and the address you can paste the address that they have provided in this Finotive thing, and the amount they have is 90.25. I'll copy this as well, but before that I have to select the Polygon network here in my wallet. So I'll be selecting my Polygon network. Now Polygon network, they have a less network fee. Right now it's not showing the less network fee. I don't know, like maybe there is a high transaction in the network, maybe that reason. But like usually this Matic Polygon, they have a less network fee compared to other networks. Now the amount that you have to choose here, that is 90 point something, that I have already copied in my clipboard. So 90.25 that you have to select out here. Now you can click paste this, and 89 that they are receiving, you have to add $1 more here since that is the network fee. So I'll be adding that $1 more, 91.25, and after that you can click on withdraw, and whatever the OTP and everything that you have to put, you can put that according to your, according to the wallet that you have. Now this is how you can make the payment, and you have to wait for a while till this thing shows that payment is complete. You don't have to close this, don't close this, close it only after the payment is completed. So that is the thing. It will be valid for this time, and I don't know, they are not showing some timer. In some payment gateways they show the timer, so you have to make sure you complete the transaction before that time. So for example in Confirmo, if you see here, they have some timer out here, 20 minutes this is going on. So this is the thing, this is the time limit. Within this time you have to complete this transaction. I think here as well this is the timer limit, because the rate keeps on fluctuating, so depending on that they have a timer. Now let's take an example of MyFundedFX. So for example, you are getting an account of 2-step. This one I will be just choosing any random account, 25k account, MT4 platform, broker is this, and I will just click on this thing. These are the add-ons that you can add, and agree and continue, agree and continue, and after that you can enter the discount code out here, JamtsonFX, or you can use the link directly, and you can click on complete order, and it will direct you to the, after clicking on that, it will direct you to the payment page. Here if you see, they have a Coinbase Commerce, which is different from the previous two. Now Coinbase payment platform is there, so this is a different gateway. Now here you can choose a different, depending on that. Sometimes what happens, I don't know, let's see whether they have the option of that new thing. Now this is the thing what happens here. Now in some Coinbase, this this gateway, in some they have an option to make use of Polygon network. So here as well you'll find Polygon, Matic Polygon, USDT, this thing they will have, but here they don't have. Now here you have to make the payment only using the ERC20. You have to click on this. In case if you have the Coinbase wallet, you can make the payment using the Coinbase wallet, but if you don't have, you can use the other wallets to make the payment of this crypto. Say for example, you are clicking on this USDT here. Now what happens, you have to make the payment using the Ethereum network out here. Now Ethereum network is kind of bit expensive compared to other networks. Now if you click on this, let me just check if the network is expensive for now. Usually they are expensive, USDT, and the network is okay. So why it is happening? Maybe because of this space. Network is Ethereum 20, ERC20, and if you see here, let me just, I have selected the network. If you see here, you have to add $3 extra out here, so that gets a little bit expensive compared to other networks. Now for this, what you can do, you can use the other crypto, that is Litecoin. Litecoin is much cheaper out here if you want to use. So 3.266 Litecoin, I will, if I just check, 3.266 LTC in USD, so it will cost you near around like that 200.04. So that is the thing, 200.04 something it is costing you, and you have to add the network fee as well. That is very little network fee, you won't even have to pay $1 also. Now if you check here, 200.04 that was costing you. If you click on USDT, so it is 200.063, and plus you have to add $3 something, that is network fee, so it gets like $2 something. There is a difference. So like in case if you want to save that $2, you can use the Litecoin. You can click on this, and you can you can go here, and you have to change the coin, of course, LTC that you are paying, and enter the address. Litecoin, it will automatically catch, and whatever the Litecoin that you have to send to them, you have to copy this and you can paste it here. And there, if you see here, they don't have a network fee. They have a very minimal network fee, that is 0.001 LTC. It's not even $1. If you check here, 0.001 LTC in USD, it's not even $1. 0.061 USD. So like it is, Litecoin is very cheap. In case if you find an option to make the payment using the Litecoin, use that. Like it's like mostly it's cheaper, like because the Litecoin network is very cheap compared to other networks. Now next, let's take an example of Funded Trading Plus. I have entered all the details here. Now in the bottom section, you can click on I have read the terms and conditions, and after that you can click on Pay with Cryptocurrency. Now once you click on that Pay with Cryptocurrency, what they will show you something like this. This is different payment gateway again. Now you can click on here USDT or pay with Binance if you want to pay. For now, I'll show you the example with this USDT. I'll not be doing this I have already done with the previous one. Now I will do with the USDT. Now never select this ERC20. ERC20 have a higher network fee usually. Currently they have low network fee, but ERC20 have high network fee compared to other networks. Now try to use TRC20. That's the best network, I would say, in case of USDT. Now after this, you can scan the QR also, but I won't recommend using the QR because sometimes some problem occurs. Now from here again, the same process that you have to do. You have to copy this thing, and you have to go to your wallet, and USDT you are paying, right, and the address you can add, and network that you have selected is TRC20, right, and the amount that you have to pay out here is, this is the amount, 499.1. this you have to copy, and you can click on this, and you have to add $1. That will make it 500.1. Perfect. Okay, so this is what they are going to receive now. If you click on that, now 499.1 they have to receive. Now once you make the payment, it will show payment completed, and you will start receiving some mails from this Funded Trading Plus. Alright, so this is how you can make the payment on different gateways that they provide. Depends on you, like you can play around with different cryptos, but these are the cryptos that I mostly use to make the payment in this Propfirms on this particular gateways. Thank you for your time. JamtsonFX closing the information about how to make the payment using the crypto on Propfirms.